Close your eyes.
3. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3.
I like that.
Wait, watch.
I have you now.
Are you happy?
The rebels must not escape.
I like this Darth Vader.
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
Daddy.
Pretty cool, huh? It comes with its own lightsaber.
A lightsaber.
Yeah.
He has his own.
And Maxie,
Look at
this
that.
is what I got for you. Roar!
I don't like it.
Look at him.
I like this Darth
He's
Vader.
sick.
You look so out of it.
I know. Show it to him.
Hey, how do you turn it on?
He likes it.
It's furry, all.
Why do you turn it on? How do you turn it on? How do you turn it on, Daddy?
Look at him sticking his hand in the mouth.
Daddy, can I have his light?